2, 1, go! 2 up high for blue, 2 up high for red. Torque trying to make it third. They get it. Oh, they just miss it. We have 2 balanced as well, 1 from each alliance. Red will take a 4-point lead into the driver's mode. Torque quickly with a cone all the way across the field. Going to put that up high. Got it done. Their alliance partner, Energy Hero, seems to be stuck on the charging station. May need some help from their partner. Trying to get them off. Oh, thank you very much there, Texas Torque. Now with 90 seconds to go, Blue took a little bit of a lead there while they were trying to get him. But DiscoBots went over in the meantime. Now it's 2 versus 3. Energy Heroes down low. Texas Torque up high with a cone. That's a link for red. Blue has a link. And up high for Energy Heroes. They get a cube up there. Texas Torque in the middle scoring zone. Now have gone ahead by 25 points. 15 points. Danger. Texas Torque in the middle zone with a cone. Now they need a cube to finish that link off for the Red Alliance. And they get it done. Yes, they do. With 25 seconds left to go. Red with a 26-point lead. 85-15. Photon up on the top. 76-91. PSA All-Stars trying to make 2 for blue. We have 2 for red. Texas Torque cannot get it up there, but they have a big enough lead. I do not think that's going to matter. We have a score coming up, and moving on into the lower bracket is going to be our Red Alliance. With a score of 116-81, congratulations to our Alliance 5, DiscoBots 25-87, TSA All-Stars 76-91, and Photon 85-15.